Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Adhikari and I will be introducing you to our system, Tinker. So let's start with the introduction. Tinker is an online coding playground where learners can practice coding or test their knowledge. It aims at enhancing the skills of the learner by simulating work-like environment. We emphasize on the problem-solving skills because being a programmer is not about knowing the tools, but how we use those tools effectively. We use these technologies to build a system that helps both learners as well as teachers. Tinker includes three modules: coding challenge, assignments, and quiz. The challenge module aims to improving the problem solving skills of the learner. The assignment module aims to familiarize students with the best practices. And the quiz module aims to reinforce and test the knowledge of the learners. Now let's have a look at the learners module. This is the landing page of our project. A non-registered user can simply browse and view different module pages. There is also a user guide which includes stepwise instructions for each module. These are the steps for quiz, steps for the challenge module. Now let's log into the system as a student. Now, after successfully login, let's move on to the quiz page. This shows the time limit for each question. This shows the total time taken by the user. And the remaining number of questions is shown here. Now let's select some random answers. After the quiz is completed, you are shown your total time, accuracy and score. Your correct answer is highlighted in green and wrong answer is highlighted in red. The correct answer for each question you have answered wrong is also highlighted in green. Now moving on to the challenge page, you can see various challenges listed in the page. Now for demo, let's select odd test. These are the instructions for the user. In the code tab, the user can write their code. Now for demo, let's write our code here. Since the code we wrote was wrong, all the test cases failed. Now after making corrections to the code, all the test cases have passed and now we can submit the code. You can view resources in the resources tab and you can also add your own resources relevant to the question. In the leaderboard, all the submissions made by different users are displayed with the quickest one shown at the top. Now for the assignments, we can simply browse on particular assignment number and attempt to try a question by clicking on it. It is similar to challenges except each assignment has a due date that needs to be met. Now let's look at the teachers module. The teacher can manage assignment, add assignment, edit assignment and edit test cases. In manage assignments, we can check the different assignments due date and view submission for each of them. These are the questions for the particular assignment that we have selected. And these are the submissions made by the user, the time taken and the submission date for each user. In view submission, we can check whether the test cases successfully pass or not for each submissions made by the user. Now moving on to add assignment, we are going to simply add a new assignment. Now we can see that the assignment number 15 has been added. Now after an assignment has been added, a notification is sent to student through Gmail about the assignment. You can see a mail has been successfully sent to user. As we can see, it is assignment number 15 with the same due date. Now let's add a question to assignment number 15 to return and reverse array. After a question has been successfully added, you are required to add the test cases for the particular question along with its expected result. Now in edit assignment, we can load the questions that are in a particular assignment. These are the questions in assignment number 4. We can update our questions in here. You can also update the test cases from here. Now let's view all these changes from the learners module. As we can see, the same assignment 15 is shown here with the same question. The instructions for the reverse array function is shown here, the starter function, and the one test cases that we have added. Thank you for watching this video.